Hi, I'm Orlo Stitt with the Stitt Group in Rogers, Arkansas. I'd like to show you today via this video our Holistically Green Living Education Center. This is the meeting room, and if you look at the pictures on the wall, they're part of what is included in my book, Holistically Green Homes, which is now in the 3rd edition, and there'll probably be a 4th soon because the technology is changing so rapidly. These are south windows, and as you saw from the video, part of the video earlier, these are all a big bank or number of windows all facing south. We can control the summer sun with the angle and the overhangs and the balconies, but we can also let the winter sun in for both seasons to reduce our utility bill and save on energy in different ways. But one of the things that are important is that with all this south glass, you have some way to control the sun. So these shades can be raised and lowered depending on the season, whether it's night or day, summer or winter, and let them back down. They're coated with an aluminum finish on the inside, which is reflective, which further allows you flexibility on how the shades are used day by day, summer and winter, whatever the season, whatever the weather. I'd like to explain how the house is heated and cooled. We have a mini split, which is up on the wall here, and it's the only thing that heats and cools the 2276 square feet that are in the building, both upstairs and downstairs. We do have a way to circulate air from upstairs to downstairs, or vice versa, downstairs to upstairs, but it's a very simple fan system, and it heats and cools the house comfortably, and it's so quiet and so efficient and so economical, essentially twice as efficient as most even efficient air conditioners used in most houses. And we're finding that we can use them with the splits, or what we call a ducted split, mini split, in practically all our houses. This is the kitchen, and it's a little different than some kitchens in that the countertops are made of recycled glass. You can see it in the color and the specs in the glass. There's brown glass and gray glass and green glass and like crystal glass that sparkles, and it's mixed with quartz, and the quartz together make the countertops. Not only that, we have an induction cooktop, which you use a special kind of magnetic cookware with, and it cooks faster than electricity and about as fast, maybe a little faster even than natural gas or propane. People that have the induction cooktops love them, and they also save energy, and in the summertime don't provide a lot of extra heat into the house. As part of the solar system, one of the things that we can do to even out the net metering, we do run our meter backwards at nighttime. We use the utility. In the daytime we run it backwards. It's called net metering, and that allows us to also store energy in batteries. Should there be a power outage, we would instantly have power to run the building, what we call the critical load of the building. And it also allows us to even out the utility load so that it's more economical for them and for us. So the batteries are here, there are 2 batteries, and this is all the mechanism that controls where and how the power from the solar is used and then net metered back to the utility company. Now I'd like to take you outside so you can see the south glass and the passive solar and how that all looks and works, and also see the solar electric system on the roof, the solar panels.